Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the video. I am doing this right here. Yeah, so I did this with the Fenty Snap Shadow number 4. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I had fun, and I'm about to have fun again with number 5. Number 5 is called Peach. It looks so different on camera, but these are peachy shades, not yellow. It seemed like on my monitor anyways, it looks like yellow and pink, but it's not. Anyway, let's get right into it. So for this look, I want to do like an all over peachy eyeshadow. And I'm going to start with this shade, which is called Shoot Your Shot. Shoot Your Shot. And I'm going to use the new Fenty brush 240, the plush eyeshadow brush. All this time I've been using that, I've been using the Fenty pencil brush, and now I get to show some love to this brush. I'm just starting off by packing that on. I'm gonna try their paddle brush, even though I didn't really care for it. I talked about all the brushes and I compared them to the previous brushes that Fenty came out with. So if you want to see that, it's in the first video in this series where I did a look with palette number 1, True Neutrals. And I created a playlist. So just look in the description box so you can click the link to follow the playlist, and you can actually follow a playlist if y'all didn't know. Like once you're looking at the playlist, at the top there should be a little plus sign. When you select it, it'll turn into a check mark, and then it'll be added to your playlist on your YouTube channel, basically. Not on your channel, but like for you to see. And then you can follow it and you can get notifications if it's updated and stuff like that. So follow the playlist. Also, you can just make sure you're subscribed. Okay, this is interesting. I didn't like this brush at first, but it's a good like brow bone type of brush. I still don't know exactly what else I could use it for. I mean, I'm using it for this right now, but it's kind of, the shadow isn't really going on. Maybe it's my base. Maybe I didn't do the base of my eyeshadow correctly, because I already see like it's breaking up. I think we can blame that on me not doing the base right, because all the other eyeshadows did just fine. Yeah, it's like skipping and breaking right in the middle. So I don't know what that's about. I really just want this to be like a blown out peachy eyeshadow. And so far, I'm getting there with this lovely plush eyeshadow brush. Just patting it on to blend it out. On camera, can you tell that it's like kind of breaking up? My earrings do not match anything. I put these different earrings in because I was like, okay, I'm doing a peach look. No, honey. Actually, that's kind of bothering me. Hold on. I'm back to the stars. This brush just makes this so easy. Like literally just tapping. The next shade, let me swatch these real quick because I don't know. That's the bottom row of the mattes, the matte shades. That middle, like that mustardy, not mustard, like it's kind of like a deep beige. I don't even know how to describe it, but that middle one right there, that's really pretty. It's golden. It's called Butter Rum. And then the top ones, the shimmer ones, those are pretty too, like super pretty. Now I'm going into this shade called Peach Me, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Why am I using this? Let's try my favorite brush. That is pretty. When I look in the monitor, I keep looking at the wrong eye because this one is so like, it's just standing out. It's all shimmery and everything. I'm looking in the monitor to check it, and I like to look and check, and I keep looking at the wrong eye by accident. I like that. I'm gonna put the middle shade, which is called Churro. No, it's called Butter Rum, in the center. It's really like, it's a spicy color. Adding more of the first brightest color. I'm liking this so far, aside from the fact that the colors don't want to stay down. And I primed my lid with the Fenty eyeshadow primer, and then I put concealer on top just to brighten the lid. It's going on better with the finger. You know, also, I think you just have to really just pat it and pack it on instead of trying to swipe. Again, I think it's just this palette because the other ones wasn't like that. I would like to just do matte and leave this eye matte, but I want to use the shimmers. Just like I said last time, I wanted it to look a certain way, but I want to use all the shades. So I'm gonna go with this bright shade. This is the brightest one. And I'm gonna put that right here. It's kind of a deceiving shade too, because it's much more peachy and yellowy than it is pink how it looks in the pan. It looks pink in the pan. It's like one of those duo color shifty type of things. And then I'm gonna place this, what is it called? Churro on the center. Maybe. Let's reinforce this one, the light shade. Wow, that really came, okay, all right. This peach palette is different. They ain't like laying on top of each other and blending together all friendly like the other palettes. Something is up with this one. Or maybe I just got a weird batch. It looks pretty though, the colors. Bomb. And then I'm gonna put the darker shade, the darker shimmer called High Pumpkin in here. I'm gonna try to pack on more of the orange shade. I mean the deepest peach. And then start tapping the edges to really try to blow it out. That's pretty. Ooh la la. Sweet peach. And then I'm gonna do the same shade right here, High Pumpkin, as a brow bone highlights. Ooh, that's pretty. Like it just blends right into the eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's snowing like crazy outside, so the trucks are out. It's January and it looks like Christmas outside. Yeah, look at that. I'm just adding a little bit of the High Pumpkin shade, like after that orangey shade, just to try to cover up that patchiness. So I could do liner, but I kind of don't want to put liner on. I like it like this. Yeah, I'm about to rock it with no liner. Liner would have been cute, but I really like how this turned out. And so I'm about to just put some mascara on and do these lashes. I'll put this shade, but I think it was too bright, so I'm trying to tone it down a little bit with this shade on the lower inner corner. Yeah, I like it. Should I put some blush on? No, I'm gonna put some blush on, but it's not gonna be from the palette because I feel like it's gonna be too bright. It won't darken. Will it? Should I? I mean, I'll try it, whatever. Let's try it. Guess it can work as a blush. It's subtle, but that's cool. That's cute. Okay. Sorry, I keep showing y'all this one because it's just like, hello. But this one's so sweet and cute. Okay, I put some of the eyeshadow on as gloss, and now I'm going to use this Bae because it's kind of gold. It's kind of cute. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. A sweet peach eye. It's so pretty. I put on the same lash that's over here, which is the Ardell Wispy 700, and I put a little bit of black mascara on the bottom lash line. I think it turned out cute. Yay, I like it. Which one do you like better? Do you like the one from palette number 4, Rose, or do you like Peach, palette number 5? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know which one you like the most. I don't know which one I like the most. That's a tough one. Maybe because this one is nude, I'm looking at like, maybe I like the peach one more. New meaning like I just did it. Like when I just had this eye on, I was like, that's poppin'. I would actually wear that. I don't know where, but I would wear that with the pink lip and all that. But now that I have the peach lip and everything on this side is going together, I don't know. That's a tough one. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. It's just so sweet and cute. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you come back. Make sure you subscribe so that you'll see when I upload palette number 7, which is Cadet. And make sure you subscribe to the playlist down in the description below. If you want to know what lip I have on, that's in the description below. Same with all the previous videos. I always try to keep like everything that I'm wearing, including like foundation, brow, everything, down in the description. So make sure you check it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you liked the look, how it turned out. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.